Yeah. Are you ready, Buck?
Papa's horse. What's Papa's horse?
Oh, barbed wire. It's like, whatever, it's my horse, Papa.
Grandma and Gracie's horse. Angel's horse.
Okay, that's skill, people. I just went through a barbed wire fence.
Say hi, Mom.
Are you ready, Buck? You are so brave. Angel, are you ready, Gracie?
Cabo, get. Cabo,
you gonna scare him?
Get. What's Buck eating? Angel, what's Buck and Gracie eating?
Hold on.
Oats? Are they eating oats? Yeah. Are they eating oats? Yeah.
Hold on, Angel. Don't let go.
Is this your horsey, Caleb? What's his name? What's his name? No, what's his name?
You want to go for a walk?
What's his name?
Just hang on. We'll go for a little walk. Come here, Gracie.
Hold on to Gracie, Angel.
Put it on my hand.
Hold on to the hair. Yes. Hold on to Nellie.
Oops. Is the blanket wiggling?
Hold on to Gracie's hair. That Buck's hair? Yeah.
Okay, just turn around. Wiggle. Hey. You gonna go over by Grandma or you gonna sit on the horse? Or Mommy?
Come here.
Hey, you gotta go over by
Yay.
Mommy.
Come here. Was it fun?
You want to take a ride with Buck? You want to walk around with Buck?
Who?
Or you want to stay here? Stay? Okay.
No, you have to stay here, Angel. Okay? The horses might kick.